Hi, and thanks for joining. Today we're going to be visiting this magnificently Disney-themed vacation home right here in the Champions Gate area and just minutes away from the Disney parks.
Mickey's Mansion is a captivating Disney-themed vacation rental that offers a delightful and immersive experience for guests. Inspired by the iconic Mickey Mouse, the home is adorned with charming Disney-inspired decor and enchanting details throughout. Mickey's Mansion features 8 themed bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a Fast and the Furious themed game room, your own private pool, home theater, and this fully equipped kitchen.
And before we show you some of these magnificently themed bedrooms and game room, just want to point out real quick the spacious living room, as well as the dining room, and of course, the pool area. Look at this. Oh man, I just want to dive right into that pool. That looks fantastic. And even over here, we've got some Little Mermaid theming. Perfect place to hang out with the family.
We're going to leave the pool area and head towards the entrance of the home to see our first bedroom. This bedroom is Lion King themed. Oh, I love this room. It feels like you are in the jungle singing Hakuna Matata with them. Oh my goodness. You have your own TV. There is Rafiki. You also have a private bathroom connected to this room. Oh, I love this room. The theming is amazing. We are going to leave the Lion King themed bedroom and head down this hall to the left and see our next themed bedroom, which is sorcerer themed Mickey room, and he lights up. This room, you have your own TV and an ensuite bathroom, which is awesome. But look at the artwork on the walls. You have Beauty and the Beast, Flounder, Simba, Mulan, oh my goodness, Genie, and then you have Mr. Incredible.
We're going to leave the Sorcerer Mickey room, and now we're going to have a little bit of fun. So just on the other side of the kitchen, check out this Owl's Toy Barn. Look at this. This is amazing. But what's super cool about it is a playroom for the kids. Look at this. Look how much fun this is. I love every bit of this. We're going to come out of Owl's Toy Barn and get ready for this because this is awesome. Look at this Fast and the Furious themed game room. Like, okay, so we have a gaming center with a PlayStation and Xbox. We have a foosball table. Look at over here. This is like you're in a garage. There's tires down there. That's amazing. And the Route 66 sign that lights up. There's a basketball game, a ping pong table, as well as 2 just fully like animated driving game experiences. This is awesome. But to add to the theming, check this out. Okay, so here we have the sign up here. If we come right down here and flip this switch, check this out. The sign lights up. That is brilliant theming.
Now that we've seen downstairs, let's head upstairs and see what rooms are up there.
As we head up the stairs, I want to take note of this mural. Look at this. This is so cool. It looks just like you're staring at the Disney castle. That's great. So we're going to head up the stairs here, and the first room to the right is an Avatar themed bedroom. Look at this. This is so immersive. You feel like you are in the world of Avatar. I love this room.
We're gonna leave the world of Avatar and head to our next bedroom across the hall, a Frozen themed bedroom. The Ice Palace is a bunk bed, which is awesome. And then you also have over here, Sven and Olaf, Anna and Elsa on the slide. And the snowflake lights, oh my gosh, they really make you feel like you're in Arendelle. We're gonna leave our Frozen friends, cut through this Jack and Jill bathroom to our next themed bedroom. And if you can't tell by the door, it is Encanto. We have Isabella on this door, and when you cut through into the bedroom, it feels like you are in their house and with a magical family. And then we have, oh look, Mirabelle. We have Antonio with his animal friends. We have Abuela. Of course, you have to have her. There's Dolores up in that bunk. You can see the candle in the window. Oh my goodness. And of course, we don't talk about him, but we do have Bruno over here.
So let's leave the Encanto bedroom, pass by the Frozen bedroom, come back down through here, and oh, get ready for this, because now you're in a whole new world. Hey, there's Genie. And look at this. You are just soaring through Agrabah on your carpet ride bed. Even there's a carpet down on the bottom that looks just like carpet. This is so fantastic. I love this room. So we're going to leave Princess Jasmine in Aladdin's world, and there's an adjoining Jack and Jill bathroom that leads right into an Incredibles themed bedroom. Check this out. There's Mr. Incredible, Mrs. Incredible. Here's Violet using some of her powers. There's Dash over there. And look at this. This is a bunk bed, and from the top of the bunk bed is a twirly slide. This, dare I say, is incredible. So we are going to leave the world of the Incredibles and their superheroes, and we're going to go to another room full of superheroes. This may be one of my favorite rooms. This is an Avengers themed bedroom. Here's Cap right here, and just up above us, there's Iron Man flying around. Here is the Incredible Hulk guarding the bunk bed. Thor is over here, and if we go up top the bunk bed, Spider-Man's flying through New York City. There's Avengers Tower over there. This has got to be probably my favorite bedroom so far. And as much as I don't want to, let's leave the Avengers room and head over to the movie theater room. And I think, I don't know, this might be one of my favorites. Ka-chow! You are in the world of Radiator Springs. Look at them all. You've got Mater. You've got, of course, Lightning McQueen over there. Oh my gosh, this is such a magnificently themed movie theater. I want to sit down and watch Cars right now. So, that's it. Thank you so much for joining us as we've toured Mickey's Mansion, and we hope you enjoyed it as much as we have.
We would like to thank Great Escape Villas for allowing us to come in here and show you around. If you would like to stay in Mickey's Mansion, all the information will be in the description below.